Hello everyone, welcome to the Coding Kids channel. Previous session we discussed about start to discuss about arrays. Today's session is continue. Actually today video we are going to discuss about how to separate the array elements. It means we will provide a numbers array. It include even and odd numbers. Our task is separate the odd and even numbers in array. Okay, let's start. First, we want to initialize our number array. Yes, int int numbers number array definition 2 5 20 and 35 67 76 1 2 3 4 5 6 and even numbers 1 2 3 and 88 and 91, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 93 and 99, and even numbers 2 20 76 88 1 2 3 4. We will set 98, actually 98, and odd numbers 93 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, our integer array include 10 numbers. It include even numbers 5 and odd numbers 5. Then we want to initialize even numbers and odd numbers arrays. Yes, int int even numbers and int odd numbers. Right. Then we want to count even and odd numbers in our array, and int count even equals 0 in count odd initially 0. Then we will iterate via for loop, count our number array. What are the number of even numbers and odd numbers? Equal for loop. We are going to iterate. What is the for loop condition is in numbers. For loop run. So numbers array, end of the numbers array. And what are the condition? Condition if we set num sorry num percentage mark equal 0, then we can put even count count even plus. Yes, it's end of else is actually odd. No? That's very easy. Odd count odd Yes, that for loop is okay. We will remove the extra spaces. For loop, for loop is n. Then we initialize our even numbers array and odd numbers array. Okay, even numbers equal new integer. We put our count even here. Then odd numbers new int our odd count odd. Yes, our even numbers and odd numbers array initialization is okay. Then we are going to separate even and odd numbers. We want to consider here even numbers index and odd numbers index. Here define in here we can define int even index 0 int odd index 0. Then we iterate via for loop, assign our even numbers and odd numbers arrays to what are the indexes we separated. Yes, for loop condition in num numbers, the condition is num percentage mark equals 0 when we assign the even number arrays to our index. Even numbers is array we want to even index plus plus num, correct. Then else is odd. There are no problem, no. Yes, then else is add odd, so odd numbers, odd index plus plus num. Yes, that follow is finished. When we are going to print our result, what are the results? End of the for loop, we are going to sys out system.out.println even numbers, even numbers, sorry, even numbers. We want to print even numbers first. We want to iterate for loop to include our array to even numbers. It int even even numbers is the print inside the for loop is sys.out.println. But I will include the for loop even number prints even num plus brackets. It's the correct way. And then Other result is our odd numbers. Sys dot out dot println odd numbers. We are going to iterate same for loop. It int odd num odd numbers. What is include the for loop is printing sys dot out dot println odd num plus, that's correct, and this result will print same line into result. We will put extra sys out to separate the two lines in our result. This is out included that only purpose. I think our code is okay. Then we are going to build our project. Mervin clean package install. Project is building. Yes, project build successfully. Then run our application. Application is running. Yes, our results are here. We will check our output is correct or not. So even numbers, then odd numbers. What is the result? Even numbers 2, 20, 76, 88, 98. And odd numbers 5, 35, 67, 91, 90. Yes, our application is running successfully and our application is working successfully. You can practice this program, changing these numbers and rerun. You can get the correct answer in this array list separation of the odd and even numbers. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet next video for the and interesting themes of the coding. Thank you.